Hey guys, Emily here with Blonde Hair Bar in San Mateo, and I wanted to show you our aftercare kit. So everyone who signs up for a hair system service, you are gonna have a hair system that looks like your hair, and we're going to set you up for your aftercare home care. So what we're going to get is you're gonna get a shower cap, you're gonna get a silk hair turban for sleeping, just so you retain your moisture, and a terry cloth hair turban for long hair, short hair, whatever it is, so that way you can just tie your hair up and it kind of dries it for you and you can put your makeup on and stuff. We want to make things easy for you at home. Then you're going to get the aftercare card with a QR code here and all of your do's and don'ts, and this goes to all of our corresponding how-to videos, how to sleep, how to attach heat to the hair, how to brush, what products to use. We're gonna give you a spray bottle. Oftentimes we spray the top of the hair when we're gonna make a new part, because hair systems are just all hand tied and they're very delicately made, so they don't have the natural growth pattern that normal hair does coming out of our scalp. So we have to tell it what to do. So we spray a little water and we make our new part, and then it just kind of sets like that. So it's very easy when you have your spray bottle. Our mask is what I wanted to talk to you about. This will make your hair system, even if it's an old wig or whatever, it will make it brand new like silk. Now this is how you use this on your hair systems. What you're gonna do is you're going to shampoo your hair, wring out any moisture. You can even put like a little towel in the shower, wring out your moisture, and you're going to add like a nice amount of the hair mask, and you're gonna kind of put it in your hair all around, and you're gonna use your shower comb and kind of like comb it through and put it up into a clip, and then finish your showering and let that sit on for like 10-15 minutes, rinse it out, and it's gonna be like silk for like the next week. Then we're gonna give you our Bond Hair Silk Spray. Now we don't use oils in the hair anymore because I feel like it attracts dust and dirt from walking around in the atmosphere, and it just makes it heavy and clumpy and dirty. So this is a very silky, beautiful spray. What we do is we just, every time you're gonna brush your hair, it kind of refreshes the hair. It almost smells like a very fresh scent. And we just spray a little bit on the hair, and then we use our brush and hold the top. We always hold the top so that way we don't disrupt any of the hand-tied knots, and we just brush. And it literally gets rid of any tangles or snarls or anything like that that you might have. And then it separates all your strands, so it really is nice. I'll do that in the morning when I wake up before I brush, and then before I go to bed I put my little headband on before I'm gonna wash my face and get ready for bed. So this is what we like to give you for your aftercare kit after you sign up for your hair system. Thank you, Emily with Blonde Hair Bar.